Hi friends, my name is Varsha. Have you ever tasted oats? We can make a lot of dishes with oats. We can boil oats and have it with a pinch of salt. We can pour milk and have it. But we wanted to do something more with the oats. We came across with another recipe with the oats. We call it overnight oats. It is healthy and it is good for the people who want to lose weight. Shall we start making the overnight oats? Come on! This is the basic overnight oats recipe. It is best when made with old-fashioned rolled oats, but now we are using instant oats. For making this overnight oats, we need oats, milk, curd, and sabja seeds. Add 1 cup of oats to a glass container like a jar or a bowl. Then add 2 spoons of sabja seeds. If you want, instead of sabja seeds, you can add chia seeds also. Add 2 spoons of curd. Take equal amount of milk as of the oats. For example, I took 1 cup of oats, so I will pour 1 cup of milk. Mix it well. Close the lid of the glass container and refrigerate it overnight or at least for 4 hours. The next day morning, I took a part of the soaked oats into the serving bowl. Let's garnish it. There are so many variations we can have these oats. Today I am going to top it with banana slices, almonds, chia seeds, roasted peanuts and honey. Whenever you know that the following morning is going to be busy, you can make this and toss it into the refrigerator and have a good night's sleep. And say bye-bye to the busy mornings with healthy, yummy breakfast waiting for you in the morning. If you are in a real hurry, you can prepare this in a jar instead of a bowl and carry it along with you. No need to skip your breakfast. There goes the best, easiest breakfast ever! My overnight oats bowl is ready. Let me taste it. It tastes so yummy. I hope you'll make this overnight oats and stay healthy.